and my dumbass forgot that my knife was in my toiletries bag. And so the toiletries bag was in my carry-on. And I got flagged and they had to go through my stuff and find it. I just told her where it was. I was like, no, yeah, it's definitely in that red rag over there. Like, so that was like my only safety precaution this time, because I kind of forgot to pack my other stuff. So now I gotta be even more cautious. But yeah, Denver, Colorado, part 2. Let's do it. So I missed my flight. They changed the gate and I got confused, I guess, and then I was really tired because remember I just worked a 12-hour shift and I didn't go to sleep before leaving at 4 o'clock to come to the airport. I might just like make it a me day and like get my life together from a distance, and like really start my week tomorrow and then just kind of have the day to myself today. But yeah, I cried a lot. Like, I was literally boohoo crying. I was so upset. She was so tired. I fell asleep at my terminal, the first one that I was at. And, well, the rest is history. So, we'll see what happens next.
Flight 446, your local support.
And then work on my schedule. And I got me and Alani to keep me up. Now it's crunch time. Now I gotta be productive or something. Alright, bitches, we made it.
Unhappy, new brands, no logos. Money on my juggler, natural hustler. Think I need a smuggler up in Russia.
Wait, because I did my big one with this hotel. It's nice.
More fun.
If this was Love Island, I would take my suitcase and jump in a circle like Cordell. But my suitcase has my computer in it and is heavy. It's quaint. I really wanted this room because I can sit in the window. It's perfect. I can just lay here. I could read a book. I could journal. I could people watch. It's perfect. This room is perfect. Last time I came to Colorado, I had a bad habit of accidentally letting people know it was my first solo trip. But you shouldn't let people know that. And this year I'm gonna be on it. Especially because of the things that have happened in the past. But we're not gonna get into that. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Cutesy, quaint. Shower. I think this is like the perfect, oh cute. This is like the perfect size little bathroom for a one person. And you see my shirt? I'm here to support you. Do you know what these are? Glial cells. And they're dendrites in your brain. I've had a long day, right? I've had a long day. I'm gonna figure it out and you'll just come with me. The elevators have animal sounds. It's the Capitol building. I don't know what keeps flying in my face. I don't know if it's a bug or a pollen, but it needs to stop. So how do I get back there? Question of the day. Oh shit. How do I get there? Thank you. so windy. So windy. We're at Green Dragon Dispensary. We made it. Bag secured. Now we go get the barbecue chicken. And then we go back to, first of all, I sneezed 5 times in there. My allergies, I knew something was smacking me in the face when I was walking because it's so freaking windy, but my allergies. I should have taken the Claritin before I left. But I know, this kind of looks like the Weekend's House of Balloons, don't you think? I'll add a picture. Just ordered $50. I'm never doing that shit again. I ordered $50 worth of wings, rice, and a sunhari, which is like a soju. Love Island started 18 minutes ago. I opened TikTok, somebody already posted a clip from it. I said, what the fuck? Why would you do that? I haven't started watching it, and neither has half of the world. Relax. It's 7:19 where I'm at. It is 9:19 in Jersey. I need to watch it as soon as possible, because if I don't watch it as soon as possible, when I go on TikTok or anything else like Twitter or something, everyone's going to be commenting on it, and then I'm going to get lost in the sauce. Bag secured.
Yes, mama, I am smoking gas, and if you want to sit in the bitch, I am not gonna puff and pass. I got all this green on me, but I promise it won't last. If you have to catch me turning, it's ass. Just leave me the fuck alone, leave me the fuck alone, leave me the fuck alone. Everybody that I love to hit the highway, get me bonus in the night and in the broad day. Hoping somebody will let home, somewhere I could go and shit ain't going my way.
I said boneless! This just ruined my whole shit. Do me. I like boneless wings. Boneless wings. It's fine, I'm gonna eat it anyways, but like that's really annoying. Eating my chicken wings, watching Love Island. Life is good. I'm sitting in the window. I said I wouldn't eat the 18, but I did. But it's because I eat chicken like really badly, and that's why I don't like getting them with bones. I like them boneless because I don't eat chicken properly. You can only see a sneak peek.
Treatment for weight loss is available for 50% off. Now you can about me. First I was fine, baby, now I know you was with someone else, another one of your own. You made me feel like I was special. You made me feel like I was special. You made me feel like I was special.
Bring my like facial lotion. So my facial lotion today and probably for the rest of this week because I don't feel like buying something. Yes, baby, you know that you go ahead, put my well into the terrace. These are my eye drops for my allergies, which are going to be acting up while I'm over here.
Sleeping in, putting you above every day. Let myself down every day. I just can't stay awake. Rest night till the sun comes. Still sucking on my thumb. So tight that the world wants some. Right on the tip of my tongue. If you got a problem when you come and kill me, throw a little finger in the air. Yeah, I rock the plug for business like a plug in my ass.
I love seltzer, like I can't explain it. It's just less boring than water. But I like a good flavor profile. I forgot my bonnet. So I was wearing it before I left the house, and then I took it off right before I left because I'm silly and I was so tired.
suffers again. Don't force it. If it just don't work, then why force it?
Makeshift alarm for the door. I'm all moved in. Gonna journal a little bit, gonna edit a little bit, and then I'm gonna take myself to sleep. Much needed after this chaotic day. But it's been fun. Day 1 in the books. It was relaxing. And I'm excited for tomorrow when I learn about psychedelics and end-of-life palliative care.